whilst COVID-19 might be a little new for people with social distancing, I really don't think social distancing is difficult to practice for many people nowadays. Do you think so? No, I don't think so. Because before COVID-19, people were already social distancing. Brothers and sisters don't meet, families don't meet, people don't greet, people don't look for each other, people don't smile with each other, so the mask doesn't prevent much. You're already not smiling, so now I don't even know who smile and who don't smile. Before COVID-19, we were already social distancing. Yeah. Nobody were having that social Islamic relationship. Very few. We had already deteriorated the social relationship. No one cares to meet. No one cares to greet. No one cares to hug. COVID-19 came as a blessing. Now you officially don't have to do it. Yeah? Yeah. People were keeping in touch only on social media. Remember that. I know you're probably thinking, why did this guy talk about these things? This is the reality. Before coronavirus, we were only keeping in touch with our loved ones by social media. Now, coronavirus made it official and authentic that you only keep connection by social media. A lot of us could have communicated with family, friends, and relatives only on social media. And when we meet personally, we are like animals. We can't smile with each other. We fight, we argue, we quarrel. So it's better you social distance. You talk to me on social media from New York to Florida. Some wives and husbands talk from one room to the next. Parents and children were speaking from one room to the next. Mother in one room, daughter in another room, and they're communicating through what? What? Social media. Wasn't that the reality before COVID-19, brother? Yeah, I remember that. The daughter is eating in her room, the son is in his room. And they communicate by social media. So COVID-19 didn't make a change for some people, huh?